Hi! The fast Achilles cannot catch up with the slow tortoise. A flying arrow does not move. This is Zeno's paradox. Zeno, you're wrong. It doesn't make any sense. You said like this? That's exactly what Zeno expected from people. You have fallen into the trap by Zeno. Zeno would have responded as if he had been waiting for such a reaction. Oh, is it so? However, the conclusion of my story is due to the Pythagorean argument. So, are you admitting that their argument is wrong? In fact, Zeno himself knew very well that his paradox made no sense. What was the Zeno's hidden intention for presenting the paradox? The arrow of his paradox was targeted at Pythagoras. First of all, you must know what the intention is. Zeno was a Greek philosopher of the 5th century BC. He was a member of the Eleatic school. Think logically, it was the motto of this school. After thinking logically, the Eleatic school came to this conclusion. The existence of this world is ultimately one. Therefore, neither time nor space can be divided. Movement and change do not exist. They are just illusions. It seems illogical, right? There was another school that was even more influential. It was the Pythagorean school that had been active since the 6th century BC. All things are numbers. The ultimate essence of the world is the number. This was the motto of the Pythagoreans. They used number and mathematics as a means of philosophy. Numbers are infinite and made up of units. The number 4 is made up of 4 units and can be divided into 4. For the Pythagoreans, time and space that are measured with numbers can be divided. Moreover, as there are many numbers, they acknowledged the plurality of the universe. This thought was the exact opposite of the argument Zeno supported. Zeno could not sit still and look at the Pythagoreans. He had to do something. After deep consideration, he created the paradox. The main target of the paradox was the Pythagoreans. The goal was to show that the Pythagorean argument was wrong. The paradox of Achilles and the tortoise. It is established under the assumption that space can be divided. The paradox of arrow. It is established under the assumption that time can be divided. Zeno's paradox was created based on the assumption of Pythagorean school. So, if Zeno's paradox was wrong, it might mean that the assumption of Pythagorean school was wrong. Zeno intentionally presented the paradox that caused people to criticize, and he turned the arrow of people's criticism towards the Pythagoreans. He tried to eliminate the Pythagoreans through that arrow. Then, only the Eleatic school would remain. Proof by contradiction emerged from this hidden intention. It is a way to save oneself by killing others. Do you think Zeno is smart or cunning? In my opinion, thank you.